obviously, welcome back to the channel. My last couple of videos have been quite long, but this will be like, I don't know, like a 6-7 minute video. Just me talking to you guys about the Collective RT1 bike and what parts are on it and what I think about it. So, this bike is actually really hard on this pedal. This bike is really good. It's good for tail whips, bars, and it's nice and short and responsive. It's a 20.6, nice and light. 9 rise bars, collective stem, collective forks, collective frame, collective seat. It's just, in my opinion, I really do like this. It's a good bike. It's nice and light. Hopefully I don't get the fucking light and seat in. Very nice, like, it's just a good bike. Anyway, so I also have on there Primo rims, which is attached to a tool holder hub, and that is the same as the front. Nice and loud. I have S&M Huda grips, or whatever the fuck you call them. I've said a lot. If you can count it the times I've said just, you know, you can have my channel. I also have a Union sprocket. Yeah, I have a Union sprocket. I don't know what chain I've got. I've got profile cranks, which are 175, Colt pedals, total killabee headset in oil slip, which is really, it's quite, it's dank. It goes with the bike. It looks really good. And in my opinion, this bike is a fucking beast. It is sick for tail whips. I love tail whips. I do a hot whip now, but the ceiling's a bit low. But that is my Collective RT1 bike. If this video seems rushed, because I don't know how to talk to a fucking camera, but it is what it is. So yeah. And if you're wondering where I am, I found this place. The lights were on. Walked through the door because it was unlocked in here, and it's a bit sketchy. So I'm probably gonna be done with this video and leave because I don't want someone to walk through that fucking door and I get fucking killed. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the parts were on this bike will be in the description. Make sure you go cop a Collective RT1 bike because they are fucking sick. This is mine. This is a custom Collective bike, not the complete versions of the RT1s. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until the next one, peace.